Hey friends, welcome back to the Renewed Homestead. Ben here. The battle of the pests has begun. But first, let me take you up. We're going up the logging road. Look at this. I don't know how well you can see that, but the raspberries, the black raspberries, are blooming right now. Makes for a tasty little walk, but we are going up. Yes, it's a bottle full of Japanese beetles, and they love cherry trees. Hold on a second. Time to throw the ball. Anyway, they love cherry trees, and we found last year they can strip a cherry tree in 3-4 days. So we found these bags, and they work really well. Now these, there's quite a few bugs in there. The two I put up here, we have mulberries up here. This is the logging road. We put a couple mulberries. I forgot which kind. Anyway, they're supposed to be a bigger mulberry. Those are the bags from last year. At the end of the season, I cleaned them out, and I put it's got a little cap. Well, I can show you. Why don't I just show you? That little cap is full of pheromones that calls the bugs in. So at the end of the season, I took them off and I threw those in the freezer because these things aren't cheap. And I thought, well, if there's a little bit of scent left, maybe, recycle, renew, reuse, whatever it is. Anyway, we set them out, and it's clearly catching some in that one. And doesn't look like I've got any in that one. Maybe they got to that one. But we have two new ones, and we put those on the far side of the pasture. On the far side. And the idea is maybe rather than putting right below the tree and the pheromones pulling the bugs towards the trees, let's put them far away. Those actually have quite a few bugs in them, and we put them out. Belle walked with me, and we did it, yesterday evening? I guess about the same time. So we take those, we dump them out for the ducks, and they love them. They will all practically fight each other just to get the bugs. But yeah, chick, chick, chick. There you go, chick, 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 chick. Here's our little mulberry. Persian. There we go. Persian mulberry. It's a dark purple, and I guess they're supposed to get like 2 inches long. I hope so. I like mulberries. Anyway, so that's one of the things we're dealing with. That's the Japanese beetles, and we are starting. I think Denise said she saw a couple of squash bugs. Maybe not. Our squash are pretty small, and they haven't been hit yet. It's coming. We do have cabbage that are doing really well, but we're starting to see the cabbage moth worms in there. So we're squishing those and trying to keep that going. But there's a whole lot of other things going on, and I've got a whole other video I want to do for you guys. Today, the feels like was almost 100 degrees here. It has been nasty hot, very humid. We got a rain shower for about 5 minutes, and all it did was just make it humid. It didn't even cool it off. You see old Belle's panting away. I took her down to the other creek, and she walked around in it. She didn't get in it, so I'm like, okay, and set the ball out, and I was just splashing her, got her all soaked, so that helps. And she's got a fan in her run, so she's always got air flowing across her. I know it's just a hot time of year. So, I don't know. I guess quite a few things coming up. I took a job down at our local grocery store a few days a week, and they have me cutting cutting fruit in their produce area. And honestly, that just, it's depressing. And the part, I don't mind the work. Everybody there is nice enough. The depressing part is every morning when you go in, we throw away easily 30 pounds of fruit just because the date rolled over. You know, the sell by date, they won't keep it on the shelf. They throw it away. And you can't take it home. You know, there's a liability there because they got sued because they let somebody take some home and they got sick, blah, blah, blah. But, you know, that was supposed to be 3 days a week. It's turned into 5 days a week and split days off, which, you know, for the moment, it's nice to have the income. But I got a call back from a large business here, and I will be working full-time at a company up the road here. It's only 10 minutes from my house, and benefits, decent money, and so we'll talk about that in the future. But I wanted to just talk about the bugs for the moment. Which, yep, there's the gnats, right into the eyes. They love my eyes. Oh, there's Belle. she's left way up there, probably chasing deer. If you haven't seen the video of her and the little fawn, it's very cute. Oh, come here, Belle. Belle, I think you've scared somebody's mama away. Come on. Stay. The dog that will play with cats, play with fawns, any animal she doesn't have a problem with except another dog, and it wouldn't end well. So anyway, I love my Belle. So anyway, all right, comfrey. You know, it's a great fertilizer, and I want to do a whole separate video on that, but we've been getting a lot of orders for that lately. Clearly people are starting to tune into fertilizer shortages and what comfrey can do for you because they're ordering it, and that's great. So renewedhomestead.com/shop, you can get that. And Father's Day is a week from this Sunday, so hey, hory knife makes a great gift. Anyway, all right, everybody, I'm gonna go take a shower because it's just hot day. All right, everybody, take care. God bless. We'll see you on the next video. Bye. Say bye, Belle. Who knows what she's hunting now? She lost her ball. All right, see ya. Bye.
Make it so.